Every time I walk into this room, I see my journey. Every piece of equipment has its own story, and none of it was easy. It took hard work, dedication, motivation, and determination. It took me years to get to this point, and I had all odds against me. But I wanted this so bad that I couldn't let anything stop me. I dedicated my life to it. I slept it. I dreamed it. I built it from nothing. I realized early on, if I wanted this, I had to do it myself. No one was gonna help me, and I wasn't gonna get a handout. I had to make this happen. Of all the things I could have done in the world, I chose music. Or better yet, music chose me. I moved around a lot growing up, so everywhere I went, I felt like an outcast. I didn't have a lot of people to call friend, so that left a lot of my life to my imagination. But thanks to my father, that imagination didn't go to waste. He taught me everything he knew, from building houses to working on cars. And it's funny how things work out in life, because even though I wasn't around my mom, I took my passion for music after her. I didn't get serious about music until my early teens, but by the time I finished high school, I had the foundation I needed to follow my dream. I joined the military, and I was lucky enough to be stationed in England. With that, I could see my dream becoming a reality. At the time, I didn't have money to go to a professional studio, but I knew I wanted a professional sound. I didn't know exactly how it was going to happen, but I knew I had to find a way. I needed better quality equipment to get that professional sound. So I started to research everything, piece by piece, and every piece had to be the best thing that I could afford. It had to have the quality. It had to have the right sound. That was the only way I was going to make progress. My first setup started in a bookshelf. I had seen studios with a vocal booth, so I had to have one of those as well. I noticed I had a lack of power with the current computer that I had, so I bought another one. And then my setup grew again. I also added a microphone. I noticed every time that I added a piece of equipment, the quality was better. I was getting a better sound, and I was making progress. Before long, those words, quality, sound, and progress, became a motto. I formed CG Productions, where quality is the sound of progress. When I started out as that 14-year-old boy, I never knew that it would take me 13 years to get my dream studio. But everything along the way made me better. I got that quality as a person. I developed a sound with people as a person. And I made progress as a person. Even though it took me 13 years to have my dream studio, every time I come into this room, I can see my journey. I can see the stories. I can see the quality. I can hear the sound. And I see my progress. And now that I'm a student at Full Sail University, I can't wait to see my future. And I can see those words repeating themselves once again. CG Productions, where quality is the sound of progress.